With this new improvement, staff members can now determine who is ready for promotion and perform a mass promotion for belts. Within an attendance list, there is a category here called Ready for Promotion, and we can also see belt categories and the current belt that the client is in. If the client belongs to multiple belt categories, there will be a drop-down menu for you to change the belt category if needed. From here, staff can simply select the client that they need to mass promote, and once they've selected the clients, there will be an option on the top that says Promote Belt. From here, again, we have another option to change the categories if needed. If not, the new belt will automatically be selected as the next belt in line that's set up in the back end. Once this is completed, click on Promote. And it'll tell you have successfully promoted X amount of clients for the belt promotion. We can also perform this within the belt report. Under the belts report, we can go ahead and select the clients that we want to promote. We can also see whether they are ready for a promotion or not, depending on the ready column. And from here, same as the attendance list, we can select the clients that we want to mass promote. And once we've selected them, we can go ahead and click on the Promote Belt button. And once again, we're brought to this screen. We can go ahead and change your belt if needed, and then click on Promote to complete the steps. This feature is really useful as previously, staff members will have to go into each individual client profile to promote the client to the next belt level. Furthermore, a use case can be, let's say in a martial arts studio, they have a advancement class. Let's say, for example, this advancement class, once they complete it, they will be promoted to the next belt. The staff can easily go into the attendance list, select all the clients that are participating in that class, and promote them to the next belt since they've completed that class. So that's why this improvement is very useful for a lot of places like martial arts studios where they need to promote multiple clients at a time, and it saves the staff members a lot of precious time in their day-to-day operations.